Hello guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to see who viewed your profile on Truecaller app. So if you want to actually see people that have tried to view your profile on Truecaller app, this guide is for you. So first thing you have to do is open up your Truecaller app and make sure you already have a profile on Truecaller app, and you're going to click on here where is your profile. Click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to scroll and you're going to see who viewed your profile right here. So it's written right here, so you have to click on that. Once you click on this, you're going to see all the persons, the people that actually viewed your profile, their country, that's the time and the date, all the details you need to know, right? So this is literally how to see who viewed your profile on Truecaller app. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.